beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to answer a comment that I got. So a comment, it basically said, are there any credit cards that they can get if their credit score is under 600? So I want to show you all more than 10 different credit cards that you can get. Over 10 different credit cards you can get if your credit score is under 600. Now, don't forget, you guys, if you want to make a personalized video, definitely let me know. You guys can go ahead and check down in the comments and see if anybody else have any other suggestions, and then like those suggestions, or you can put your own suggestion down there. Now let's get right on into the video. So the first credit card I want to talk to you guys about is Capital One. Now Capital One, you all, they can pre-qualify you for a credit card. You guys can click right here for the pre-qualification. So they can pre-qualify you for a credit card. And when I say pre-qualify you, they're going to see if they can approve you for any of their credit cards. Now, it's under 600. We're trying to stay with credit cards that approve you under 600 credit score. So I'm thinking that maybe you all can go ahead and try to get these here, because I usually tell people to try to have like a 580 credit score to get these two regular credit cards, and then you can have, I believe, like a 550 or sometimes a little bit lower to get their secure credit card. So you all have that option to get those credit cards. And don't forget, if your credit score is, some reason goes up and you want to see if you can get other credit cards, when you click on the see if you can pre-qualify, they'll let you know all the credit cards they're going to qualify you for. Now, the next company I want to talk to you guys about is Discover. So with Discover, I always tell people, Discover, they're going to pull your TransUnion credit reports, but if you guys have like a bankruptcy, sometimes Discover is really hard. And usually if your credit score is that low, sometimes a lot of people have bankruptcies. So I really want to make sure that you guys understand that you can pre-qualify for a credit card for Discover, but if you had a bankruptcy, it's kind of going to be hard. But they have multiple credit cards that you all can go ahead and get approved for. And then they have their secure credit cards, just like Capital One. Now, Capital One, their secure credit card is going to turn into a regular credit card using about 6 months. With Discover, theirs is going to turn into a regular credit card in about 7 to 8 months. But just make sure when you get any of these credit cards, you guys, you want to make sure you keep the balance low and make sure that you're paying your bills on time. And then usually you'll see your credit card upgrade. Don't forget, you guys, sign up for the free trial with Aura. I'm going to make sure I have that link down below. Let's get right on into the next credit card. So the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is CreditOne Bank. Now, CreditOne Bank, again, can pre-qualify you. Now, don't forget, pre-qualification means that they're willing to possibly give you a credit card. It's not a guarantee that they're going to give it to you. But usually, with CreditOne Bank, if they say they can pre-qualify you, that's basically what they're going to go ahead and give you. And I've seen people get like a credit card with CreditOne Bank, and they were able to get a credit card, and they were like a month outside of bankruptcy. And I mean, from filing bankruptcy, it's not discharged or anything dismissed. It was a month after bankruptcy. So you all may want to look into getting a credit card with CreditOne Bank. Now, with all of these credit cards, you want to check the annual fee. Sometimes you may have a high annual fee, and that's going to really hurt you. So I want you guys to go ahead and check the annual fee and see if it is too high for you all. But if you want to see if you can pre-qualify for the credit card, you want to go all the way to the top and click right here to see if you can pre-qualify. So they'll tell you exactly what they can pre-qualify you for. And they want to ask, another thing different about their application is they're going to ask for your monthly income, but they have a calculator. All you want to do is figure out what you're making per year and divide that by 12. That's basically how you come up with your monthly income. And like I said too, they're going to pull your Experian credit report, but check the annual fee. If the annual fee is too high, I don't suggest you all go ahead and get that credit card. The next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is Mission Lane. Now, a lot of people may have seen Mission Lane on Credit Karma. Credit Karma usually suggests this to a lot of people. If you guys get the suggestion for Mission Lane, you may want to go ahead and take it, because Mission Lane is a good credit card, but just try not to have that high annual fee. That's the thing. And this credit card here, I'm not sure if they're going to give you guys credit increases, but this is not a credit card that you're going to want to keep. Now, you're going to want to basically get this credit card, and when you are able to have better credit, you're going to want to possibly cancel it later on. But still, it's a good credit card to help you boost your credit score up and then possibly get approved for more credit cards. Now, the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, Navy Federal Credit Union, they have multiple credit cards that you guys can go ahead and apply for, and they can pre-qualify you for it. Don't forget, you got a low credit score, so if you're watching this, it's most likely under 600. If your credit score is really low, you probably can only get approved for their secure credit card, but that's fine, you guys, because guess what? If you get their secure credit card and you guys put $200 down on the secure credit card, in 6 months it's going to upgrade to a regular credit card, and they're going to give you a $2,000 limit. So definitely, you guys, you want to look into getting their secure credit card if you can't get any other credit card. Like, it's a good card. You guys will probably still want to go ahead and apply for. Now, the next company I want to talk to you guys about is the Aspire card. Now, this credit card, they possibly can have a high annual fee. I mean, like $175 annual fee. But I still want to talk to you guys about it because you can possibly get the $49 annual fee, and that won't be as bad as $175. But again, they can pre-qualify you, and I love credit cards that can pre-qualify you. That means you guys are not going to get a hard inquiry. And if your credit score is low, it may be low because you guys have a lot of inquiries on your credit report. So you guys may want to stop applying for so many different credit cards if you can't get them. Try to see if you can get credit cards that can pre-qualify you. And a lot of these credit cards can do that. So this one actually offers up to 3% cash back, and there is no maximum, so that's really good. Now, if you guys want to apply for this credit card, just go to the website, see if they can pre-qualify you first, and then just go from there. But if they can't pre-qualify you for the credit card, I would not suggest you guys go ahead and get the credit card, because it may be a hard hit to your credit with a hard inquiry, but they won't give you the credit card. Now, they actually will give you credit increases. They're going to review your account and give you credit increases. So that's one thing I do like about this card. And even if you were to have like $175 annual fee this month, well, this year, the following year, it's not this month, this year, if you have an annual fee this year, then the following year, your annual fee can be between $0 and $49. So you may go down to a $0 annual fee. So it's kind of worth looking into this account. Now, another credit card I want to talk to you guys about is an Indigo credit card. So the Indigo credit card, you guys can go ahead and pre-qualify for this credit card also. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, you guys want to make sure, let me actually see if I can go to one that's on there. Let's go to one that's, this is their actual account details. Let's see if you guys can go right here where they can pre-qualify you. So they can actually pre-qualify you for this credit card, which is another thing. I want you guys to see if you can pre-qualify for any of the credit cards you want to get. But check the annual fee. Check and see what the annual fee is going to be, because the annual fee is the main reason why I tell people not to get a credit card. The annual fee, sometimes you can get a credit card with an annual fee, but a lot of times you don't want to get those credit cards because you're going to end up wanting to close it because you have to pay to even have that credit card open. But Indigo is an easy credit card you all can definitely go ahead and apply for. Now, another credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Surge credit card. So a lot of these credit cards I made videos about. Go ahead and check out the different videos. But with the Surge credit card, they can approve you anywhere between $300 up to $1,000, and then they can potentially give you an increase in it after 6 months. You guys want to check the rates on these credit cards. You want to see what the rate is going to be. So when I say the rate, the annual fee. So the annual fee for this credit card is high. The annual fee for this one is going to be $125 for the first year, and then after that it's going to be $96. And then they're going to bill it per month too. They have a maintenance fee. This card has a lot of fees, but still, some people still say they like this credit card. So I definitely didn't want to hold out on you guys. For those people that want a credit card really bad, you guys can still apply for it, but I would not suggest you guys actually get this one because of the actual fees, but it's still an option for those that want it. Now, it's something called the shopping cart trick. The shopping cart trick is where you guys can get approved for credit cards without them checking your credit reports and look at your credit scores. It's not really a trick at all. These companies actually will send you offers in the mail, but you're able to get these same offers online. So they have offers with Victoria's Secrets, they have offers with Express, and there's like Lane Bryant. You guys have the Camping World Visa. There's so many different credit cards you guys can apply for using the shopping cart. trick. Now, with this trick, you guys, I want to make sure I connect the video here so you guys can check out that video. But with the trick, like I said, no hard inquiry. That's the biggest thing. And two, if you have bad credit, you can still get approved. Now, if you all want to just apply for these credit cards directly, these are easy credit cards you can get because they don't require you guys have a high credit score. So you guys can definitely check these last two out. Again, it's the Victoria's Secrets, and then you also have the Express. Now, you all make sure you sign up for the Aura trial. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. They have a 2-week trial is down in the description. And again, I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you want me to make your personalized video, definitely let me know. Bye-bye.